In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language targeting in Google Ads. This is an essential skill for ensuring that your ads reach the right audience, especially if you're targeting a global or multilingual demographic. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Ads. Simply open your web browser and go to the official Google Ads site. It's a great platform for increasing your customer base through online advertising. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. After you sign in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. From here, you're at the heart of your advertising campaigns. This is where you manage and monitor all your advertising efforts. Once you're comfortably on the homepage, you should see a menu on the left side. Look for the option that says Campaigns. Clicking on this will take you to a dashboard displaying all the campaigns that are currently running under your account. Now it's time to select one of these campaigns. Carefully review your options and click on the campaign for which you want to change the language settings. Once you're inside the campaign view, you will notice various tabs running across the top of your campaign settings. One of these tabs is labeled Languages. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Languages section, you will see a list of all the languages currently being targeted by your campaign. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your audience demographics to effectively use this section. Consider what languages your potential customers speak. The more accurately you can target them, the better your ad performance will be. Adjust the languages by either adding new ones or removing those that are not relevant. You might see an add languages option or a plus sign that allows you to input additional languages. If you're unsure which languages to add, start by considering where your product or service is available. Focusing your language settings on these regions can result in a more personalized and effective advertising approach. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the language targeting for your Google Ads campaign. This adjustment can significantly impact the effectiveness of your advertisements. So taking a few moments to accurately refine these settings is time well spent. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps easy to follow. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials to harness the full power of Google Ads in expanding your business reach. Take care and happy marketing.